In this video, I am going to show you how to comment photo in TikTok 2025. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Here is how to comment pictures on TikTok. First, click on the speech bubble on the right hand side of the TikTok video, like you normally would do to add a comment. On the right hand side of the text bar, you will then see a brand new square picture button next to the emoji button. Click on this and upload photo from your camera roll. The photo symbol looks just like this, as you can see. If you don't have the picture button, then that means the new feature hasn't been rolled out to your account just yet. TikTok randomly rolls out new features to random users first, usually to see whether it's working properly and limit unnecessary bugs. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.